Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of March. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can get monthly. There are different tiers and I have the $10 tier. It comes with one skein of yarn and then one other item. This video is not sponsored in any way. They have no idea who I am. They have no idea that I'm doing this video. I like to get these with my own money and I like to share them with you guys because I think it's fun to unbox them on video and to show you guys what I get. At the end of the year, I'm going to be doing a wrap-up video to show what I get in my boxes throughout the entire year of this service. So let's go ahead and begin. Let's start by talking about this box. This color is incredible. So on the video it shows up as like a darker coral, but in person it's like a peachy coral and it's so pretty. I love it so much. Each color of the box actually every month is a different color. And it's really fun because I look forward to getting my boxes every month because they're so cute and I love what I get inside of them, obviously. But I also kind of want to see what color I get every month. It's just really fun. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and open my box up. Ooh. All right. Oh my gosh, this color is so cute. It's like a really squishy yarn too. Oh my god, I love this color so much though. I'm like obsessed with that color. Okay. Ooh, herbal dyed recycled silk yarn in rose. So your yarn will come with a little tag that'll show you what tools you can use with it and what yarn it is and the weight and everything. I love this color though. This actually might be my favorite color that I've gotten so far. It is beautiful. All right, so on to the next item. Oh my god, those are so cute! Oh, they're buttons! Oh my god! Those are adorable! Oh, they're like clay. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, very nice, guys. It's a nice little touch right there. That is awesome. Okay, I'm like not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet, these little buttons, but they are adorable little sheep. I love them. Okay. And then we got my booklets, which the booklet is going to explain like their crew and the work that they do. It's going to explain the yarn, how it was made and everything. And then the mystery gift, the other item that you're going to get. Explain the club. Ooh. All right, well, I'm excited to look through this a little further later. It's going to have a knitting pattern to go with the yarn. And then it is going to have a crochet pattern to also go with the yarn. Awesome! So, okay, that's going to be the booklet. All right, so these are the items that I got this month. I am like so in love with this yarn right now. This is my favorite color that I've gotten so far. It is so cute. And I'm excited about these buttons. Oh my gosh, I will definitely display them for you guys when I figure out what project I want to work them into, but they're so cute. All right, that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of March. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see down below. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.